Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to edit the teleportation effect in the CapCut application. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your CapCut application. Once you're in, go ahead and import the images to which you want to apply the effect, and add them to your track. Now, adjust the length of each image based on the desired duration of your effect. You'll need to do this for all the images you have. Next, you'll need to remove the background from your images. To do this, simply tap each image and navigate to the video section, which is located in the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Cutout button. Choose Auto Cutout, making sure that the square next to it is activated. Repeat this process for each of your images. With your images ready, let's move over to the Media section. Here, click on Library and add a white image to your track. This image should be positioned underneath your other images. Shrink its duration to 1 second and perfectly align your images at the end of the white image, just as I am doing right now. The next step involves adding additional images. Align these at the bottom of your existing images and ensure their lengths match. Now it's time to incorporate the effects. Head over to the Effects section and tap Video Effects to expand it. Click on Opening and Closing and look for the Rainbow Zoom effect. Add this effect to your video. Adjust the duration of the effect to approximately 0.5 seconds. Place the first 0.2 seconds at the end of the white image and the remaining 0.3 seconds on your images. Now let's fine-tune the effect. Go to the effect details in the top right corner. Set horizontal from 33 to 50, strength from 72 to 100, size from 52 to 100, and speed from 33 to 50. The final step is to duplicate the effect and consistently apply it across all your images, just as we did with the first two. That's it! You've created a stunning teleportation effect. Here's our final result. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.